Coronavirus cases in the United States are nearing 2 million, and at least 110,514 people have died of the virus. New York City has the highest number of cases at 378,097 and the most deaths at 30,374. There are now more than 7 million cases worldwide and 400,000 deaths globally. This even as new study published Monday in the scientific journal Nature suggests that large-scale shutdown policies such as ordering people to stay home and closing schools implemented after the coronavirus pandemic prevented more than 500 million total infections across all 6 countries, including China, South Korea, Italy, Iran, France, and the United States. In US alone, the study shows that there will be roughly 60 million more coronavirus infections across the country if emergency COVID-19 policies were not implemented. Meanwhile, after a 78-day lockdown, New York City entered the first phase of reopening, with some non-essential workers allowed to go back to work and retail stores allowed to reopen for pickup. Similarly, Russia is partially reopening its borders for several kinds of trips following an announcement by Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin. Russians will be able to travel abroad to care for relatives, undergo medical treatment, and work or study. Foreigners will also be able to enter Russia for medical purposes. Elsewhere, New Zealand has lifted almost all of its coronavirus restrictions after reporting no active cases in the country. At midnight local time, all of New Zealand moved to level 1, the lowest of a 4-tier alert system. Under new rules, social distancing is not required and there are no limits on public gatherings, but borders remain closed to foreigners. New Zealand has reported no new COVID-19 cases for more than 2 weeks. Ben Chumba reporting for Channel 1 News.